Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term GGS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, GGS is a term meaning good games, used to show sportsmanship after multiplayer games. People use it when wrapping up online matches to be polite and friendly. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. GGS first showed up in online gaming communities in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among gamers and streaming audiences. Now let's check out how to use GGS in a sentence. Correct example 1. After our match ended, I typed GGS in the chat to show I enjoyed playing. Correct example 2. I always say GGS no matter if I win or lose because it's respectful. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said GGS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using GGS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. GGS means good games, used to show sportsmanship after matches. It started in early online gaming, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with GGS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.